All right, so I've already shown you how to create a workflow, but I wanted to kind of show you one that had more content in it. So I showed you already that just to create the workflow, I'm going to get out of this real quick. To create the workflow, you go to workflows, you would do create new. In this case, you already have one that's not currently active. The person has to get into your workflow via subscribing to a segment that you've created, and then you can start sending things out to them. If you decide that, oh my gosh, I meant to put a weight or something in here, then you can always add times and stuff to pause your workflow for a day. So for instance, if this is a lead magnet, a freebie that you're giving to someone, then obviously you want them to get that lead magnet right away when they sign up. But then the next time, start to do your nurture sequence, which is very common. A nurture sequence is when you send a regular cadence of emails to a new subscriber so that you not only stay top of mind, but you can start to introduce whatever it is that you do for your business to them in a way where it's easy for them to digest. So you send it like once a day, every other day. You can spread it out however you'd like. In this case, I'm sending something daily. So after they get their freebie, I entered a time delay of 1 day. By the way, you can change this time delay for however long you want. You can have it be a certain day of the week. You can have it be a certain time of the day. You can have it be a specific day of the year. In this case, I'm just going to wait 1 day and then send the next email. I created a second email that you can see here, and then it'll wait another day and send the next email. They all look very different. And so I just entered, and I'm going to delete this real quick so I can kind of show you. A tip for Flodesk. If you make a mistake, like say I entered, close this out too. So say I did this time delay, right? And then I created an email. I'm just going to duplicate something really quickly. I'm going to duplicate anything that's in here. Oh, is there nothing in here? It's okay. I have favorites. So I'm going to grab this one, right? Yep, customize this. It adds this email into here. I'm going to click on finish. So now this email is next in line. But say I decide, oh, I don't want to have this delay here. I'm going to delete this. Oh, good. It actually doesn't do it. One time I deleted something. I know which one it is. Okay. One time I deleted a condition. So when you have these little conditions and then you have something else here, and the condition is the subscriber opened one of these emails here. Okay. So say I was like, oh, I don't really want this condition. And you see I have an email down here. If I were to, are you sure you want to delete this condition? This will also delete the branches below. So it deleted that email that was below there. Do you see that? It's gone, which is very annoying. So be very careful when you're deleting things, even if you have, especially if you have something below it, because sometimes it will delete everything that you've done, which would be really, really frustrating. So I don't want that to happen to you. It's happened to me and I didn't have the email saved, so I had to completely redo it, which pissed me off. So I just wanted to share that little tip with you. So again, it's just very simple. You click on this. I'm going to do the time delay. I'm about to do my next email. It is 1 day, which is perfect. And then I'm going to come in here, click on email and create a new one. And then you can, like I said, you can create it from scratch, or you can go into your favorites if you have anything saved in your favorites. None of these actually work for what I'm trying to do right now. So I'm going to start from scratch. And then that's it.